All right, now that the old lock set's out, we can start by installing the new one. So we'll start by putting the back set in. Screws here. I like to use the half of the clamshell that came in to dump loose parts in. Makes it easier to grab them. Take our drill. Tight. All right, put that in. All right, next we're going to install the lock set. So on these, this is not an exact one that the customer had in their house, but they don't make that one anymore, and they were okay with getting something similar. But we want the curve to go down. So this is, let's put this in on this side. I'll take our other one, put it in on. There we go. I'll take our machine screws that it comes with, get them started. Get my screwdriver. Take the bottom one. I could use my drill on this, but it doesn't take very long to just use your screwdriver. And you'll know the machine screw is threaded correctly because it should go in real easily. And if it gives you any kind of resistance, you know that you probably didn't get the threading started correctly. And that one I had to back it off a couple times, but go ahead and get that finished up. And now the customer's working locking door. All right, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, please hit like, subscribe, leave me a comment. If you have a way of doing this that's better than the way I've been doing it for the last 25 years, leave me a comment. I'm always up for learning something new. Thank you.